Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just changing a fan motor on this ideal CONCORD Super Series 4. So before starting safe isolation, I've removed my leads. When carrying out safe isolation, use your multimeter. Test your multimeter is working first. Use a volt stick as well afterwards, just in case. Ensure the gas supply is isolated. So I have removed the fan motor head on this unit. And now I'm inputting the new fan motor. I'm not changing the whole fan body assembly. Okay, so we've got that in. It's lined up. Make sure the hose are lined up and that the gasket is in place. If you're changing the whole fan assembly, ensure that you change the gaskets as well. The manufacturer provides double gaskets, 2 sets of gaskets, so ensure that you change those if you're changing the whole fan assembly. Those gaskets sit here at the back. Also, when changing the entire fan assembly, ensure that it's lined up properly at the bottom, that it's all aligned, and that you get all your bolts back in, your 4 bolts, ensure that they all go back in, and also ensure that your inlet here is connected properly. 1, 2, 3 screws in with their gaskets underneath, their washers underneath. The gasket is in place here. It's nice and tight. Now time to connect the supply, the electric supply. You don't want this over here in front of the propeller, so we'll put it around the back and ensure the propeller spins freely. Sometimes you have to put a screwdriver underneath gently and tweak it up because it might be rubbing. So this needs to be spinning freely, okay? Okay, before I get my gas supply back on, I'm gonna just carry out a tightness test, a local tightness test. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, getting this unit back on now. I've switched off the other 2 modules so that I can do a combustion reading on this appliance. So gas supply back on after our tightness test. Let's take our boiler out of lockout for gas starvation. Okay, our boiler keeps locking out. Okay, so my boiler is attempting to light. I've seen the gas pressure drop when we attempt to light it. The gas pressure is dropping, so the gas valve is allowing gas through, but I'm not really seeing a spark inside, so I'm not seeing a spark inside the sight glass. Notice the gas pressure drop there, and then it locks out. I'm seeing a flame inside, a spark, and I reckon the problem is with the probes, and so I'm going to look into that. It could be 2 problems. The fan could have been bad, and it could have been a long time it's been sitting here without being used. The same procedure as before. Gas supply off, power off.